Hey, welcome to Watson's Models. This is where the magic happens. And I'm mostly into tanks, armored stuff, because I was a tank crewman. But we got a lot of tips and tricks. We'll be working on some aircraft, some ships, but mostly 35th scale, 16th scale, some 6th scale, and RC tanks. So I hope you hang out and join us on this channel, like and subscribe. It would be very much appreciated. Looking at the analytics over the last 8 months, I'm really attracting people my age. I'm 57 years old, and that's about the range of the majority of the folks that are watching what we're doing. So I really appreciate everybody, and the goal is to try to get young people into the hobby. And so that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you join us, and hey, let's have some fun, okay? Let me get my clicker.